Hello, Smartians. Hello, Class 6 students. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing well. So, today is the new class of chapter 1. We had been studying chapter 1. The name of chapter 1 is food, and today we will study something more about animals, then we will study about plants. So before we start, let's do a quick revision. Okay, so last time we studied about different kind of animals who eat food. Different kind of animals who eat food. Yes, there are three type of animals who eat food. First is herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Okay, what are herbivores? Yes, herbivores. Animals which eat plants or plants product. Animals which eat only plants or plants product are known as herbivores. For example, rabbit, cow, horse, elephant, goat, buffalo, all these are herbivores. Carnivores, what are carnivores? Tell me. Yes, animals which eat other animals. Animals which eat other animals are known as carnivore animal. Means these are animals. These animals eat the meat, eat the flesh of other animals. For example, tiger, lion, wolf, snake, jaguar, panther, crocodile. So they love to eat flesh. Omnivores. What do you mean by omnivores? Animals which eat both. Yes, animals which eat both means plants and other animals. Yes, they eat plants product and animal both. Example, bird, duck, mouse, bear. Bird, duck, mouse, bear, and vulture. Vulture also, eagle as well as eagle, raccoon. Okay, so these are the omnivores. Okay, I hope you understood. So now let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. So as we know that human being means we eat different kind of food. Yes, sometime we eat bread, coffee. In the morning, what do we eat? In the morning, what do we eat? In the morning we take light breakfast. We eat bread, we take tea, we take coffee, and in lunchtime we eat chapati, vegetables, buttermilk, curd, fruits. And during the dinner we eat vegetables, chapati, light food we eat. Okay, so this is our food. In the same way, different animals eat different food. Different animals eat different food. Yes, for example, buffalo. Look the screen. Buffalo, what does buffalo eat? Yes, buffalo eat grass, buffalo eat oil cake, buffalo eat hay, buffalo eat grains. Yes, buffalo eat grass, buffalo eat oil cake, buffalo eat hay, buffalo eat grains. Yes, cat eat bird, cat drink milk, cat eat small animals. Rat, rat eat grains, Rat eat fruits. Yes. So rat eat grains, rat eat fruits. Lion, we know that lion is a carnivore. So lion eat other animals. Spider, yes. Spider eat insect. Yes. Spider eat insect. It means spider is also a carnivore. Spider eat insect. Yes. House lizard means lizard which you see at home, because there are different type of lizard, there are different species of lizard. So house lizard also eat insect, it means this is also carnivorous. Yes. Cow is a herbivore, and we know that cow eat oil, cake, grass, hay, and grains. Yes. Butterfly suck the nectar. Butterfly suck the nectar of flower, or you can say suck the juice of flower. Crow. Crow eat grains, small birds. It means crow is a omnivorous because crow eat grains and small birds both. Housefly. Housefly eat fruits, grains, vegetables. It means housefly is a herbivore. Okay. So different animals eat different food. Now the question is, from where do we get this food? From where do we get this food? Now let's move on to the next point. Okay kids, next topic is sources of food. So what are the sources of food? What are the sources of food? There are two sources of food, because if I ask you that from where do we get the food, then what will you reply? From where do we get the food? We get the food from plants and animals. Yes. In previous class, I think we studied about it. Something we studied about it. But today we will study something more. So, as you know that we get food from plants and animal. Some food comes from plants and some food comes from animals. Yes, we eat plants product, we eat animal product. Yes, herbivores eat only plants product, carnivores eat only animal product. Means sorry, carnivore eat means carnivore eat only flesh. Carnivores eat only flesh, and omnivores eat both. Yes. So we eat different kind of fruit, we eat different kind of vegetables, we eat buttermilk, curd, banana, egg, chicken, milk. So these are plant and animal products. Okay, understood? So some food come from animal, some food come from plants. Understood? Now let's move on the next point. So kids, as I told you that some food comes from animal, some food comes from plants. Now the question is, what kind of food do we get from animals? What kind of food do we get from animals? Okay. So look the screen. First, animal product, chicken. Yes, we get chicken. We get chicken from animals. Means we chicken is eaten by carnivores and omnivores. Fish, yes, fish is a seawater food. Fish is a seawater food because fish live in water, usually in fresh water or seawater. So many people eat fish. Next is meat. Yes, meat we get meat from different animals. There are different type of meat. We will study today about different kind of meat. Milk, yes, milk is also an animal product. Like cow gives milk, buffalo gives milk, goat gives milk, and we drink milk. Cheese, yes, we make cheese from milk. We make cheese from milk. Yes. Sausage. Next is sausage. Yes. What is sausage? We will study. Next, bacon. 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 And what is bacon? We will study about it also. After few seconds, we will study about sausage and bacon. Okay. Eggs. Yes. Different birds give egg, but usually we eat the egg of hen. So these are the product, animal product: chicken, fish, meat, milk, cheese, sausage, bacon, egg, other product, ghee, curd. They are also animals milk product. Okay, understood? Now let's move on the next point. So kids, we get chicken, fish, meat, egg, cheese, curd, milk, sausage, bacon from animals. Yes, we get sausage, and bacon. What is the meaning of sausage and what is the meaning of bacon? Sausage is any product which contains meat. Yeah, it is highly minced meat, stuffed meat. So sausage is a product which contains meat. Yeah, and other thing, not only meat but other thing also. So it looks like brownie color. Okay. Next, bacon. What is bacon? Bacon is meat of pig. Bacon is meat of pig. Yes. Or pickle of pig's meat. Yeah. We can make pickle of meat of pig, which is known as bacon. Okay. Please pay the attention on the spelling of sausage. Look, the spelling of sausage. What is the spelling? SAUSAGE. 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 Yes. Sausage is a product which contains meat. What is bacon? Bacon is meat of pig. Meat of pig. Meat of pig is also called pork. Pork, pork. Can you see the picture of pork? Yes, pork. Pork is also meat of pig. Yes. Okay. Or you can say bacon word is also used for pickle. For pickle of pig meat. So both are animals product. Sausage and bacon. Bacon means pork. Sausage is any product which contains meat. Another thing, bacon, we get bacon from pig. Okay, understood? Now let's move on the next point. Okay kids, now let's talk something more about meat. Something more about meat. Because a carnivores or a omnivores. Carnivores eat meat, flesh of other animals, and omnivores also eat flesh of other animals. So we eat fish. Yes, definitely we eat fish. Fish is seawater food, and We eat different kind of meat. Chicken we get from hen and cock. Now look the picture. Whale. Wheel. Wheel. Well. Okay. So the meat that we get from calf, yes, meat of a calf, meat of a calf is known as well. Veal. Well. Okay. Veal. Yes, many people, many carnivores and many herbivores eat well. What is well? Meat from a calf, meat that we get from a calf. Beef, beef. Beef. What is beef? Meat of a cow. Yes, meat of a cow is known as beef. Yes, different carnivores and different omnivores eat beef. Okay, so remember what is beef. Beef is a meat of calf. What is well? Meat of a calf. Beef is a meat of cow. Beef is a meat of cow. And what is well? Meat of a calf. Pork, you already know about pork. Meat of a pig. Meat of a pig. Now look the picture. Last picture you can see something reddish color, in red color, something insect like. Can you see these insect like structure? Reddish color. Last picture. Yes. What is this? Can you tell me? What is this? The name of this animal is prawn. What is the name? Prawn. 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 Yes. Prawn is a sea water animal. Yes. So many omnivores and carnivores eat prawn as a seafood. Because fish is also a seafood. Prawn is also a seafood. So once again, different kind of meat. Whale is a meat of a calf. Beef is a meat of a cow. Pork is a meat of pig. Okay, understood? Now let's move on the next point. Now let's see one last product of animal. One last animal product. That is nothing else but nectar. 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 Look the spelling, check the spelling. Nectar. So what is nectar? What is nectar? Nectar is a sweet juice. Yes, nectar is a sweet juice. Yes. Bees collect nectar from flower. Yes. Nectar is a sweet juice of flower. Yeah, it is a juice of flower. Nectar is a juice of flower. Who collects the nectar? Nectar is collected by honeybees. Yes, nectar is collected by honeybees from flowers. Yes, then convert it into honey. They make the honey using nectar. How do we make tea? We make tea using tea leaves, using sugar, milk, water. In the same way, honeybees make honey using nectar, means sweet juice of flower. Okay. Then store it in hive. Honeybees store the juice of flower in hive. What is hive? Hive. Hive is the house of honeybees. You can see the picture of honeybee sitting on a flower, honeybee sitting on a yellow flower, you can see the picture. And you can see the house of honeybee. The house of honeybee is known as beehive, or you can say hive. beehive. Okay, the honeybees live in beehive. So they store honey into hive. In their hive, we get two product, honeybees product. There are two product of bees. First is honey, second is honey wax. We get honey wax and honey from beehive. Okay, so nectar is a sweet juice. Bees collect nectar from flowers and convert it into honey and store it in their hive. We get honey wax and honey from beehive. Understood? Now let's move on the next point. So my kids, my dear student, as I told you in the beginning, I told you that some food come from animals and some food come from plant. Now let's talk about different plants product, because we eat different plant product, we eat different parts of plant. Yes, we eat different parts of plant, we eat different parts of plant as plant product. You can see on the screen leaves, flowers, fruits, roots, seeds, stem. Yes, we eat leaves, we eat flowers, we eat fruits, we eat seeds, we eat roots, as well as we root stem. We eat stem. So we eat leaves, we eat flowers, we eat fruits, we eat seeds, we eat root, we eat stem. Yes, we eat these parts of plant. Yes, these parts of plant we eat as plant product. And you know that which animals eat plant product? Yes, herbivores. Herbivores eat plant or plant product. But omnivores also eat, because omnivores eat plant and animal both. Now the question is, what are the plant product? What are the plant product? Means which plant product do we get from leaves? Which plant product do we get from flowers? Okay, so we will read about all these different parts of plant. Let's move on to the next point. So kids, as you can see on the screen, these are edible parts of plants. You can see we eat flowers, we eat leaves, we eat stem, we eat root, we eat seeds. So these are different parts of plant. These are all these are edible parts. Edible means eatable, which can be eaten by us. All these are edible parts of plant. Okay, flower. Which flower do we eat? We eat broccoli, we eat cauliflower. Yes, we eat broccoli, we eat cauliflower. Yes, leaves. Which leaves do we eat? Yes, we eat lettuce, we eat cabbage, we eat spinach, we eat Brussels sprout. Yes, these are leaves we eat. We eat lettuce, we eat cabbage, we eat spinach, we eat Brussels sprouts. Do you know about bryophyllum? Bryophyllum? Yes. Bryophyllum can grow from leaves. Yes, it can grow from leaves. But at many places, people eat leaves of bryophyllum. Yes, people eat leaves of bryophyllum. So these are the leaves part, the edible part: lettuce, cabbage, spinach. Okay, stem. Yes, we eat different kind of stem like celery, asparagus, and sugar cane. Yes, sugar cane is also part of stem. Okay, other stem part: potato. Potato is also a stem part. I hope you understood. Okay, next, Next is which root do we eat? Which root do we eat? We eat carrot, we eat radish, we eat beetroot, we eat turnip. Sorry, I have written by mistake potato and onion. Potato and onion is not root, they are stem. Okay, remember, potato and onion are not root, they are stem. Okay, we eat radish as root, we eat turnip, we eat carrot. These are edible parts of plant. Last is seed. Yes, we eat different kind of seed. Coconut is a seed. Peas, moong, tur dal, green peas, chickpeas, cowpeas. We eat different kind of beans. We eat corn, we eat maize, we eat wheat, bajra, jawar. So we eat different kind of seeds, sunflower seed. Okay, so all these are edible parts of plant. Okay, flowers: broccoli, cauliflower, leaves, lettuce, cabbage, spinach, stem, celery, asparagus, and sugarcane. Okay, a potato, onion. Okay, roots: turnip, radish, carrot, beetroot. Seed: sunflower seed, corn seed, maize seed, wheat seed, peas, beans. Okay, understood? Now let's move on the next point. So kids, we studied about different edible parts of plant. We studied about different edible parts of plants. Now we will study a new topic. Look the heading which is written in red line. Look the heading which is written in red line. Some plants have two or more edible parts. Yes, a plant has two or more edible part. It is possible that plant have two or more edible parts. So look the example. Look the picture, first picture, mustard. Yes, mustard have two edible parts of mustard have two edible parts. So first is seed. We eat seed. So first edible part name is seed, because from seed we get oil. Yes, seeds of mustard plants give oil. Seeds of mustard plants give oil. Second is leaves. Yes, we use leaves of mustard plant as vegetable. We use leaves of mustard plant as vegetable. Second is banana plant. Yes, what do we get from banana plant? What do we get from banana plant? Yes, we get fruit. First edible part of banana plant, that is nothing else but banana. Yes, fruit. Banana fruit is edible part of banana plant. Banana fruit is edible part of banana plant. Second is leaves. Yes, in south side people make the vegetable of leaves of banana plant. Yes, people make the vegetables of banana plant, and they also use as thali. They use as thali, or you can say they use as utensil to put the rice, vegetable, all chapatis and idli, dosa, and they eat. You can see, as you can see in the picture, you can see banana leaves on which rice, you can see different vegetables. So we get two edible parts from banana plant, fruit and leaves. And mustard plant also has two edible part, seed and leaves. Seed we get oil from seed, and leaves we use as vegetable. Understood? Now let's move on the next point. Okay, my dear friends, now let's move to the new topic. Yes, next topic is ingredients. Yes, ingredients. What is the spelling of ingredient? What is the spelling of ingredient? Look on the screen. look on the screen. I N G R E D I E N T. I N G R E D I E N T. Ingredient. Yes. So, what do you mean by ingredient? Yes. What is the meaning of ingredient? Substances that are combined to make a particular dish are called ingredients. Yes. Substances that are combined to make a particular dish are called ingredient. For example, let's take a simple example. Let's take the examples of halwa. Yes, halwa is a sweet. So, to make halwa, what do we need? What do we need? We need sugar, we need ghee, we need flour, or we need maida. So, to make halwa, we need flour, we need sugar, we need oil. So, these are ingredient. Sugar is ingredient which is we are using in halwa. Second, ghee or oil is ingredient, flour or maida is ingredient. Okay, so these are ingredient. So substance that are combined to make a particular dish. So we combine them, we put them together, we put them together to make a dish. So substances that are combined to make a particular dish are called ingredients. For example, to make rice, we need only two things. You need raw rice, raw, and you need water. Just put the rice in water and boil it. Your rice is ready. Your rice is ready. And other thing you can add later. Other things you can add later, like you can add spices, potato. Okay. I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. As you can see on the screen, a list of different food item like brinjal curry, idli, kheer, Maggi, roti. So the question is, which ingredient do we use to make brinjal curry, to make kheer? Which ingredient we need to make kheer? Which ingredient we need to make chicken curry? Which ingredient do we need to make idli? And second question is, from where do we get these ingredients? From where do we get these ingredients? So first index of food item, second index, second row in the middle, which is for ingredient source, and last is plant part which give us the ingredient. Plants part which give us the ingredient. Okay, brinjal curry. Point number 1. First, brinjal curry. To make brinjal curry, which ingredient we need? We need brinjal, we need chili as a spice. Chili is a spice. So we need brinjal, we need chili, we need oil. Oil, you can use oil of groundnut, you can use oil of soya bean, you can use oil of mustard, any other plant. Okay, to make brinjal you need these ingredients: brinjal, chili, oil. So from where do we get brinjal? Which is the plant part? Brinjal is a fruit, and chili is also fruit of plant part. Oil is a seed. Yes. Okay, we get oil from seed. We get oil from seed. We get chili from fruit of chili plant, and we get brinjal from fruit of brinjal plant. Okay, it means brinjal is a fruit. Chili is fruit. Okay. Next, idli. To make idli, main two ingredient you need. Main two ingredient, rice and urad dal. Yes, rice and urad dal you need to make idli. So rice is a seed. Urad dal is also a seed. So both are plants part. Next, chicken curry. To make chicken curry, you need chili, oil, and chili is a part of plant. Which part? Chili plant, and it is a fruit. Oil, and oil we get from which part of plant? Seed. Kheer. To make kheer, we need rice and sugar. Rice is seed. So from which part of plant we get rice? We get rice from seed, which is the part of plant. Sugar we get from sugar cane. Sugar cane is stem. So understood? You can see on the screen. Okay. So different food item. To make different food item, we need different ingredient, and these different ingredient we get from different plants part, which give us ingredient. Understood? Now let's move on the next point. Today's last topic is sprouted seeds. Sprouted seeds. So before we understand the meaning of sprouted seed, you need to understand the meaning of sprouts. Yes. What are sprouts? What is a sprout? Sprout, S-P-R-O-U-T. S-P-R-O-U-T. Sprout is singular and sprouts is plural. S-P-R-O-U-T-S. S-P-R-O-U-T-S. Sprouts, it is singular. It is plural. Sorry. Okay. So what is sprout? A sprout is a shoot that emerge. A sprout is a shoot which comes out, that emerge from a recently germinated seed. Yes, recently germinated seed. So what is sprout? Sprout is a shoot which grow, which emerge from a recently germinated seed. Yes, suppose you have germinated seed. Germinated seed you have, and if you will look that seed, you will see something white structure on it. White structure on it. That white structure is known as sprout. You can see in the picture of moong bean. You can see white structure. This white structure is known as sprout. This white structure is known as sprout. And such kind of seed are called sprouted seeds. Such kind of seeds are called sprouted seed. So what is sprouted seed? A recently germinated seed with sprout. A recently germinated seed with sprout. It's known as sprouted seed. Okay. So what is sprout? A sprout is a shoot that emerge. Sprout is a shoot that emerge from recently germinated seed. And what is the meaning of sprouted seed? A recently germinated seed with sprout. Sprouted seed have both seed plus sprout. Sprouted seed have both seed plus sprout. Okay. And what is sprout? White structure. Okay. Understood? Now let's move on the next point. Okay kids, it's time to ask question from you. You can write down these question in your notebook. Question number 1. Question number 1 is name 5 plants. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Yes, name 5 plants. Okay. First plant, rice. Which part do we eat of rice plant? We eat seed. Seed we eat is rice. Second is brinjal. Brinjal is a plant, brinjal plant. Which part do we eat of brinjal plant? We eat brinjal as a fruit. Brinjal as a fruit. Wheat we eat. Yes, Wheat, which is the part of plant, it is a seed. Okay. And sugar we eat, so sugar we get from stem, sugarcane is stem. Bajra, jawar, millet, maize, these four: bajra, jawar, millet, maize, millet, these all are parts of plant. As seed we eat them. So these are 5 plants: rice, brinjal, jawar, bajra, wheat, sugarcane. Okay. Question number 2: do you find that all living beings need same kind of food? Question number 2 again: do you find that all living beings need same kind of food? Means all living beings need same kind of food or not? No. The answer is no. All living beings need different kind of food. All living beings need different kind of food, because different living being means different animals eat different food. Herbivores eat plants product, carnivores eat animals, and omnivores eat plants and animals both. Understood? Now fill in the blanks. Question number 3. A. Tiger is a which animal? Because it eat only meat. Yes, tiger eat only meat. So which is it animal? Tiger is a carnivores. So in first fill in the blanks, carnivores. Second, we get sugar from. What do we get from sugar? We get sugar from which plant do we get sugar? We get sugar from sugarcane. Next question. Parrot eats only product. Parrots eat only which product? Plants product. Yes. So in fill in the blanks, plant word will come. Parrot eats only plant product. Understood? Kids. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is define ingredients with examples. Define ingredient with example. Okay. What are ingredients? Substances that are combined. Substances that are combined to make a particular dish are called ingredients. Yes. Substances that are combined to make a particular dish are called ingredients. Example: to make rice, we need only 2 ingredients: raw rice and water. Okay. Next, question number 5. Write the name of different kind of meat. Write the name of different kind of meat. Yes. Pork. P-O-R-K. Pork. Pork is a meat of pig. Pork is a meat of pig. Beef. B-E-E-F. B-E-E-F. Beef is meat of cow. Whale. V-E-A-L. Whale is a meat of a calf. Question number 6. Question number 6 is what are sprouted seeds? What are sprouted seeds? Germinated seed with sprout are known as sprouted seed. Germinated seeds, recently germinated seed with sprout are known as sprouted seed. Example: mung bean. Okay. I hope you understood. So today's class is over. Now we will meet with a new chapter in next class. Study at home. Use Google. Search and learn. Till then, goodbye.